Hello, and welcome to this checkmate into chess puzzle created by C.H. Wheeler in 1879. Black has the king in the corner, but white has several pieces ready to move in, and also a rook and a queen in the opposite corner. It's white's turn. Can you see the checkmate in two? Taking the bishop with your queen won't get you a mate in two unless black takes back with their knight, because then you can move the rook down to a1 to get the mate. Instead, black can block the queen with their bishop. You can then take the knight. If black threatens the queen with your rook, you can checkmate with the rook or the queen. Or if black blocks with the rook, you can move your knight to g3 to get the checkmate. Taking the rook with your bishop is another mate in 3, but not 2. Black can take back the bishop with their rook. You can then take the bishop with your queen. Then black can block the queen with the rook, and you can move in for just a mate in 3. Taking the knight with your queen doesn't get you a mate in 2. Black has the saving move of moving their bishop to a4. You can then move your queen to a5, getting that diagonal in. Then if black does anything now, you can just move the queen down to e1 for the mate in just 3. Taking the pawn with your queen is only a checkmate in 4. Black could maybe attack the queen with the rook, but then you can move down your queen to c5. Black has to move the bishop down to block the queen for one last move. Then you just get the mate in 4 with the queen after that. Okay, let's have a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need some more time. To get the checkmate in 2 for white, you need to move your queen to c7. If the black bishop takes your queen, you can move your rook to h8 to get the checkmate in 2. If black decides to take your queen with their knight, you can move your rook to a1 to get the checkmate. If black moves their pawn, you can move the queen to h7 to get the mate in 2. And if black moves their rook away from the d4 square, allowing the bishop to attack, you can move your knight to d3 to get the mate in 2. That's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon.